had a window get replaced and been told that insurance won't cover a full window replacement? Well, today we want to share the right information about homeowners insurance for a window replacement and how you should best handle the situation. Hi, I'm Rebecca and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we will outline 3 things you need to know and 3 steps to follow before using homeowners insurance for a window replacement. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do if you have damage to your home's windows and want to use homeowners insurance for a window replacement. If you want more great home solutions content, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing. Now, here are 3 things you need to know about homeowners insurance coverage. First, insurance will most likely not cover the full window replacement. Most homeowner insurances will provide enough money to cover the least expensive replacement window, which may be around $200 to $300. A high-quality, full window replacement can start anywhere from $800 and up. If you want a replacement window that is more elaborate than a basic window, know that insurance will not cover the full amount for a fancier window. Second, the less expensive the window, the lower the quality. Because the money you get from your insurance is not enough for a high-quality replacement window, it's important to understand the quality of window you would get if you only use insurance coverage. Cost and quality go hand in hand for remodeling projects, so you must think about the quality of window you want and if you're willing to compromise quality and design to save money. Third, a full window replacement is not your only option. Because insurance will most likely not provide the full amount for you to replace your window with a high quality and durable one, you may want to consider other options, like a glass-only replacement. A glass replacement will be less expensive than a full window replacement, which means you can have most, if not all, of the cost covered by your insurance. If only one window in your home is damaged, looking to replace the glass or just repair the existing window will save you money and ensure your damaged window will still match the rest of the windows in your home. Now, let's get into the 3 steps to take if you plan to use homeowners insurance for a window replacement. Step number 1, contact your homeowners insurance company. Step number 2, determine what coverages you have and what option is best for you. And step number 3, find a window replacement contractor that will fit your needs. Let's look into each of these steps further to best understand what to do with your insurance and window replacement. If you go to a window replacement contractor first, you don't quite know what coverage your insurance will provide and how much money they will allocate towards your new window. So, it's best to know what insurance will cover before getting a quote from a window replacement company. Step number 2, determine the amount of coverage you have. You want to know if your certain damages are warranted under the insurance and what the insurance company will provide, whether it's monetary or other options. You also want to know if you have any deductibles that must first be paid before insurance will provide monetary coverage. Once you have all of this information, you will know what insurance will cover for your window replacement and can decide what your next steps are. Now, the final step for you to do is find the right contractor for your project. It's important to choose a contractor that offers the right services that you need for your damaged window. Some companies only do window replacements. Others do only glass replacements. And some do both. You also want to consider your budget for a window replacement. If you want a higher quality window with a high quality company, know it will cost more and insurance will not cover it all. Should you use homeowners insurance for a damaged window? If your window becomes damaged and you want to use insurance, remember these 3 things. Insurance will not cover the entire window replacement. You might end up with a less expensive window that will be of lower quality. And a full window replacement is not your only option. Having realistic expectations for the cost of window replacement services is crucial to finding the right contractor that will meet your goals and needs. So, how much does a window replacement cost exactly? Check out the article linked down below that outlines how much a window replacement costs. And thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to.